Next, I'm going to cut a spline, which is basically just a piece of wood that you stick in here. It'll stick out a little bit. And then once I cut this groove into the nosing that I just ripped, it will hold this kind of together. I'll glue it and it'll just keep it all in place and make a nice tight fit. This is 1/4 inch, just shy of 1/4 inch, and is 3/16 times 2, 3/8. Let's do 1/4 inch first, just a little shy. I'm gonna hold it like this, and that blade should be plenty for the next cut. I just don't want to rip a piece off of here and then try and rip that piece, because it gets a little dangerous ripping a piece that small. So we'll start like this. And then we'll do 3/8. Like that. And then I'm going to lower this blade so it just cuts the bottom piece. Now we can test fit it. We want it to be tight, but not super, super tight. It worked out pretty good. But now we need a groove on the nosing piece. First, I'm gonna set the blade height. Hold this like that, and then raise it up until it hits this. And I'm actually gonna go a little bit more just in case that. And then set this. Have this in here, move the fence over to either side. I'm gonna start right here. So I move the blade. I want it just back a little bit. This. Oh, I lined that up so that the top of the board was here. So remember, this is the top. So I'm gonna rip it just like that. If I line my flooring up, you can see I just care about this top, making sure that I have that there. So now I can sneak that blade over this way, do the rest of the groove, because that's perfect. And I think this will actually work out where I can go to the other side of that groove, just like that. And if I have to go back, take out some of the material in the middle, we'll be fine. So yeah, I gotta get that material in the middle out of there. So I could just scooch this over. Just making sure this sits in all the way. And I'll put a little glue in this groove here too. Well, there's a gap right there, so I gotta fix that. Oh, I'm gonna put one nail here at an angle, not too close to the edge because I don't want to split it. And that is how you would secure it. These pieces are good candidates for screws because we got a gap right here in the middle. So I'm going to put a couple screws in and suck those in tight. Flathead screwdriver.